5.5 years ago, we bought this house, and a real estate agent would call it a renovator's delight. A couple of months ago, my husband Theo and I decided that we would start our renovations, and the roof was our first choice. Right from the moment I first contacted Anthony, I have found him to be completely professional, customer-focused, friendly, and with lots of helpful advice. He kept in touch with us throughout the job to make sure that we were completely satisfied. I could not recommend Anthony and his company more highly.
I'm a professional engineer and I've worked in construction for over 20 years. It's nice to meet someone like Anthony and his company who are very much customer focused and stayed in touch with us throughout the job, advising and resolving any sort of problems as they arose, which inevitably do. And the end result has been extremely satisfying. We are very pleased. Thank you.